Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Josiah Agro TV. My name is Josiah Adoga, and if this is your first time watching my video, please make sure you subscribe. Today, I am here to tell you the best breed of goat to start with as a beginner in Nigeria, residing in Nigeria. This video or what I'm about to say might be applicable to other countries, African countries, but I want to talk specifically for you living in Nigeria or as a Nigerian living in the diaspora, living abroad, and you want to come back to Nigeria to start a goods project. Here, I'm here to tell you today the best breed of goat to start with or to stock your farm with. Now, the best breed to stock your farm with is the local breed of goats. Hold on, I'm going to explain. I'm not saying that the hybrid goats like the Boa, the Kalahari are not good. But I'm going to be giving you the good parts of it, and I'm going to be telling you the other side of it. Now I will tell you if you are going to weigh it and check which one is good for you. First of all, if you want to stock your farm, the hybrid goods are good. But now somebody called me from the diaspora. He said he wants to start up a farm in Nigeria and he wants to stock he want to do pure Kalahari and Boa. And the question I asked him is, what is the aim? What is your aim? Do you want to sell to breeders alone? Do you want to do slaughter? And he said he intend to do slaughter, to have a slaughterhouse, butcher these things, these animals, then pack them, put them in packs, and then sell them. He wants to do value addition. And I gave him an advice. Now, if you want to do slaughter in Nigeria, you want to have a butcher house, definitely you're not going to be starting with the Boa and the Kalahari because this will, except maybe you have a market abroad, you have a market in the diaspora, like maybe you have somebody you're going to be supplying these animals, you're going to probably pack these animals and send to sell it out of Nigeria. If not, in Nigeria, if you slaughter these animals, you pack them, definitely you're going to sell them lesser than what you buy. Now, mind you, for you to get a matured Boa or a Kalahari in Nigeria, you should be preparing from 2 million naira and above. 2 million naira and above. That is when that is the price you can get a Boa and a Kalahari in Nigeria. Okay, now if you buy these animals and you prepare them in packs, how much do you think you're going to sell them in Nigeria? Nobody is going to care if this meat is a Boa meat, this is a Kalahari meat. Nobody cares. All they are seeing is goat meat. So what you should do is start with the local breed of goats. Make these goats increase their numbers. When they increase their numbers, that is when you can make your money. Now, I am not saying that I'm not going to do Kalahari, I'm not going to do the Boa. Definitely in my subsequent projects, like when I'm done my project, I will get, but I'm not going to get much of them. I'm going to get probably a male and a female. Probably I will just be doing, trying to get some pure. Then I'll use the male to cross other of my animals. So my animals, I can improve the genetics of my animals. Now you see all these animals. You see the animals I have here in this farm. If I want to sell them, like I want to sell everything tomorrow, it is very easy for me to sell. I can easily sell everything tomorrow if I want to. I'm not saying I'm going to sell them. I'm not going to sell them. But if I wish to sell them, I can easily sell them. But imagine if I have Kalahari and Boa here. I can't just wake up one day and sell them. Why? Because not everybody have that money to buy them. Not everybody that will have that money to buy them. So if you have a local breed of animal in your farm and you are in dire need of money, you need money to do something. Probably you need money to set up, maybe you want to expand your farm. You can get like 40, 50 of your animals, sell them. If you want to sell them that much, you can sell them easily. They are easy to sell. You can even take them to the local market, sell them, you still make profits. But you can't take the Boa goat and the Kalahari to your local market to sell. That is one of the things. The Boa, the Kalahari, they are very good when it comes to genetics. They have faster growth rates. They are very nice animals. They have faster growth rates as compared to our local breed of animals. But if you have, if you're having it in mind that okay, I want to rear my animals, I want to sell them, or I want to sell them in Nigeria easily. The local breed of goats sell faster than the imported ones. Except maybe you want to keep those animals, like you just want to rear them, keep them for longer period of time. The, the easy way for you to sell them is one, when you have a platform where you can easily post those animals, and people all over the country, all over the world can see it and make purchase from you. But if you're just a regular person that have a farm, you don't have a you don't have a big platform where you can post and everybody can see it, and people interested can come for it. If you keep those Kalahari red and the Boa in your farm, definitely it will be very hard for you to sell them, because you'll be surprised when you take them to the market and somebody will price an animal that you bought for 2 million naira, they will price is 150,000 to 200,000. You'll be surprised. You take it to some of your local markets, and probably highest they can just price. Some people will price 300,000 for an animal you bought, because most people in the market, or most people you go to the local market, they don't know the difference between Boa, Kalahari, the Sahel. They don't know the difference between Estonian goat. They don't know those ones. All they are seeing is goats, and most of them in the slaughterhouse, they don't even know breed of goat. All they are seeing is goats. So you that you have that knowledge, you know about this breed of animals. You also have to calm down, think, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Am I doing it? Do I want to slaughter these animals when they are ready and sell them in Nigeria? Or I just want to keep these animals and sell them to other breeders? You need to check as well. You have to check as well. And if you have local breed of animals in your farm, your risk is being splitted, because if you buy one of the imported goat for, let me say, 2 million naira, 2 million naira can actually buy you heads of goats, of the local goats. And if you have a space, specifically, if you have a space, maybe your place where you're keeping them is a rural area, like your village, definitely if you have heads of these animals, you'll be happy at the end of the day. So I'm saying, doing this video for some people, like they just want to start. Some of them don't even have the money, that much money, but they have watched videos online. They have gone on YouTube, on other social media platforms to watch other farms, and what they are saying is the Boa, the Kalahari, the hybrid animals, and they want to start with those ones. Some people are even saving up money. You're saving up money to just get one. You just want to get one of the hybrid animal. Calm down. Get the local ones. Take care of those ones. Allow them to grow in numbers. Allow them to grow in numbers. When they grow in numbers, you don't even need to struggle. You won't even need to struggle to buy a hybrid animal. You can just sell off some and then buy a hybrid animal to improve the genetic of your farm. Goat farming, or farming generally, when you take it as a business, it becomes profitable for you. But when you take it as just a hobby, you have passion for this thing. If you're not careful, you might not get the profit. If you're not careful, you even look at it and say livestock is not for you. That is the thing. You'll be wondering why people are managing. How are they managing to make this money from livestock? It's only when you take it as a business. When you take it as a business, you have to sit down, plan yourself, ask yourself, what am I doing? What do I want to do? Can if I start this thing, can I sell them? Can I easily sell them? You have to ask yourself those questions as well, and probably meet one or two people that are into the business to ask some questions, so that it will help you get clarification and you know what you're actually doing. If you buy these goats, it's not as if when you bring them to your farm, the next month you start seeing profit coming. No, livestock is a game of patience. It's a game of patience. Even if you have a pregnant animal, if your animal is pregnant already, it will take probably 5 months for it to deliver. So you have 5 months of feeding them, 5 months of cleaning their pens, 5 months of doing some of the things that giving medications, though you don't give medication every day. So you have to be patient. You have to be patient. So if you actually are in Nigeria or you're in the diaspora watching this video right now and you want to go into livestock farming, ask yourself those questions. If you actually want to do value addition, even if you have a market abroad that you want to slaughter and then send it over there, probably pack them and export them, the local goods can still do the same for you. And I think it will be more profitable. Now, the hybrid to me is just to improve the variety, improve our local breed of goat that we have over here in Nigeria or in Africa, is to improve them. Is to improve them. Because actually I don't think those animals you can slaughter them here. You can slaughter in Nigeria and make profit. You can't, because if you slaughter them in Nigeria and you sell them, you won't even make half. You won't even make half of your money. You won't make half of your money. Because even a cow, there are cows of even 400,000. There are cows of 500,000, big cows, 600,000. You can get a nice cow. Then a goat getting million naira. So you have to put all of these things into consideration before starting the goat. And I'll still say it again. The best breed of goat to start with or to stock your farm as a beginner farmer is the local breed of goats. The local breed of goats. Most people rush into it. They don't want to start with the local breed of goat because they felt maybe it will waste their time. There are goats that actually doesn't waste that don't waste time. It's not all goats that have that kind of slow growth rates. There are other goats that still have faster growth rates in Nigeria that are not expensive. In Nigeria, there is the West African dwarf goat, yeah, which is the normal short goat that is found in the east, is found in the south, is found in the west, and we have the Sokoto red, which is found in northern part of Nigeria, which originate from Sokoto state in Nigeria. We have the Sokoto red. Those ones have a faster growth rate as compared to the West African dwarf. We still also have Sahelian goats. Sahelian goats are those ones that are tall with flippy ears. Yeah, like some of the ones I have here in my farm, they are Sahelian goats. And if you look, some people will look some of the goats I have here. You look the redneck Sahelian goats, and you'll be thinking probably it's a boa. It's not a boa goat. That is a redneck Sahelian goat. So I just want to share this information with you. I always want to share this information so that you can learn. You can learn, and probably it will help you in your livestock journey. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my episodes. Please make sure you like this video and let me know what you think about this video on the comment section. Thank you for watching Josiah Agro TV. Once again, my name is Josiah Adoga. Thank you for watching this episode. Bye bye.